Your chainsaw is dragging through a thick log like it is cutting through solid granite. You are sweating and the motor is screaming, but the wood just will not give. This is the exact moment a viral ad pops up on your feed showing a miracle solution. It looks like a simple clamp that turns any novice into a master woodcutter. This tool is currently everywhere you look online. The videos make the process look completely effortless. You just snap it onto the bar and pull the chain through. No power cables are needed, and you do not need a single minute of specialized training. It sounds like a total dream for anyone tired of struggling with a manual file. But we really need to look past that shiny high-definition footage. I started digging into the company behind this device, and the red flags are flying everywhere. The website for this specific tool has only been active for less than a month. That is a massive warning sign in the world of online shopping. When a domain is only 29 days old, there is simply no track record to lean on. Even more alarming is the score on consumer protection websites, which give it a bottom-tier trust rating. It is sitting at a failing grade of 38 out of 100. When you move over to actual user experiences, the picture gets even darker. Real people are rating it 1 star out of 5 with overwhelming consistency. They are not just slightly unhappy with the performance. They are absolutely furious. One buyer reported that their credit card was hit with multiple mysterious charges after an initial error message. They never even received a tracking number. Others who actually got the package in the mail were genuinely shocked by what was inside. They described the tool as cheap, flimsy plastic worth maybe $5 at most. This is a classic bait-and-switch operation. The marketing shows a precision instrument designed for heavy-duty work. The reality is a piece of junk that feels like it might snap in your hands. Some users even joked that their basic garden hose attachments felt more durable than this sharpener. That is an embarrassing comparison for a tool meant to handle steel chains. You are being promised high-end professional performance, but you are receiving something that belongs in a bargain bin at a toy store. When 90% of the feedback is negative, you have to pay attention to the pattern. They lure you in with a catchy viral video, and then they take your money through a very sketchy checkout process. Then they either send you nothing at all or they send a plastic toy. Real tool companies have decades of reputation in customer service departments. They do not just pop up out of nowhere and disappear 30 days later. If you actually need your saw sharpened, you should stick to the established brands you see in your local hardware stores. Do not let a well-edited advertisement trick you into handing over your sensitive financial data. These viral scams are getting much more sophisticated with their visuals every single day. They use clever angles to hide the flaws, and they make you feel like you are missing out on some secret industry shortcut. There are truly no shortcuts to a perfectly sharp blade. It takes a quality file or a real mechanical grinder from a brand you can actually name. This specific clamp tool is a high-stakes gamble where the house always wins. You should protect your wallet and your peace of mind. Always use secure payment methods like a credit card with fraud protection if you ever feel tempted by these social media ads. Most importantly, do not believe the hype until you see a long history of happy customers. This one just does not have it, and the risk is simply too high for a few minutes of convenience. It is better to spend your money on a tool that will actually work when you get out into the woods. Stop and think before you click that buy button on a random website. If it looks too easy, it usually is. Stay safe out there and keep your tools sharp the right way.